As a criminal defense lawyer, I routinely argue to juries that while they deliberate a case, it's not necessary for them to find the accused factually innocent before rendering a not guilty verdict. Not guilty simply means not proven beyond a reasonable doubt. And this principle is reflected in our legal heritage through William Blackstone and Benjamin Franklin. They both said 10 guilty men should go free rather than one innocent person be convicted wrongfully. So what does this mean when a police officer takes a smiling selfie with Kyle Rittenhouse, who unquestionably did actually kill 2 people and seriously wounded a third? Lawyers and judges accept limitations on First Amendment freedoms to avoid the appearance of impropriety in court. We want to have a judicial system that is as free as possible from bias and prejudice. And I believe that law enforcement officers owe that same obligation to the public. So do police officers have the same First Amendment freedom to join far right-wing organizations? Are they permitted to assemble and petition the government to redress their grievances? The answer is absolutely. They absolutely have those same First Amendment freedoms, but they shouldn't be police officers if they're going to engage or join these extreme organizations. They shouldn't be following, for example, acquitted members of the Wolverine Watchmen, even though those people were acquitted of attempting to kidnap the governor. This is entirely inappropriate for police officers to be engaging in this. And let me be clear, I'm friends with a lot of cops, and none of the police officers that I'm friends with are members of these far right-wing fringe organizations or follow members of the various militias. It's inappropriate, and police officers need to hold themselves to a higher standard than your average everyday citizen. And I'll take it one step further. If a police officer engages in behavior or joins an organization that raises questions as to that officer's professional judgment, his or her temperament, or their ability to uphold the law, that must be affirmatively disclosed under Brady to the defense by the prosecution, because it raises too many significant questions regarding that officer's fitness to perform their duties.